Building a mini concrete house from foundation to finish is an exciting construction project that demonstrates real building techniques on a smaller scale. Even though the house is small, the construction process follows the same steps used in full-size buildings. Careful planning is the first step before starting any construction work. The builder begins by selecting a suitable location for the mini house. The ground should be flat and stable to support the structure. The construction area is cleaned to remove grass, stones, and debris. A clean working space makes the building process easier and more accurate. After preparing the site, the layout of the house is marked on the ground. Measuring tools help ensure that the layout is precise. Wooden stakes and string lines are used to outline the structure. This process is known as setting out the building. Once the layout is complete, the foundation work begins. Builders dig a shallow trench along the marked outline. The trench will hold the foundation base of the mini house. The bottom of the trench is leveled carefully. A firm and compact base helps support the structure. Gravel may be placed at the bottom of the trench for better drainage. Builders prepare a concrete mixture using cement, sand, gravel, and water. The mixture must be blended thoroughly to achieve the right consistency. The concrete mixture is poured into the trench. Tools are used to spread the concrete evenly. The surface is leveled to create a smooth foundation base. This base will support the entire house structure. The concrete must be allowed to cure and gain strength. Proper curing improves durability and stability. After the foundation base is ready, wall construction begins. Concrete blocks or molded concrete pieces may be used to build the walls. Cement mortar is applied between the blocks. The first row is placed carefully on the foundation. Builders check the alignment using a level tool. Straight walls are